gun. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, you like my playhouse? I mean my girls' club. It's not really that exciting because there's nothing really in here. That's because it's a secret girls' club and boys always walk around everywhere. So I put a bit of stuff so they won't see it. Oh. Anyways, what do you guys want to do? Ow. I don't know. What do you want to do, Ash? I don't know. Okay. Oh, but maybe we could look at the birds and count the trees. That's not a game, Ash. Oh, okay. Spice, are you sleeping? It looks like it. Spice? What? Oh, you were sleeping. Do you know the game? Do you know the game? Oh, we could play tag or dance battle. Oh, let's play tag. Can we play tag? Sure, but we can't run too fast or else so one of us can get hurt. Makes sense. Why are you laying on the floor? I think too. But I'm gonna be really fast. So who's it? You. Okay. Wait, Spice is it? Oh, we need to run. They'll get you. Oh, let's jump over this log. Okay. We need to find a safe hiding spot. Yeah, we do. Hey, what are you doing with my phone? Well, we'll see it. Yeah, a U club because there's nobody in here. Can you please get help though? No, we're hiding. But you're not invited here. Says who? The Air Force? You need to leave. I am tired of people just trespassing in my boys' club. there's nobody here. So why are you so upset? I don't know. Fine, you can stay. But who's it anyway? Spice. And she's trying to get us. Okay, I'll make sure she won't come in. What does she look like? She has black hair, red streaks, black and white dress, and teal glittering eyes. Okay, got you. Now, let me bring the tea. I have something to sit on. Now we can sit. Yay, we can sit. Well, what now? I don't know. Should I invite the other girls over? Sure. Are they trespassers? No. Okay, then we can invite them. We're here! Invisible. Yeah, but it's supposed to be like the girls' club more than boys' club. What about the Goy Club? GOY. It's a mix with boy and girl. Or we could just do boys and girls club. That's a great idea. I'm gonna stand here. Ooh. This is actually nice. It is very nice. I wonder what Spice is doing. Guys? Guys, where are you? We're playing tag, not hide and seek. Huh, where are they? Huh? What's that over there? They're in there? Oh, I am going to call them cheaters. Cheaters! You think I would look any meaner? That doesn't make any sense. But I guess you found us. Yeah, because I'm really cool. I can sense people. And how come you didn't sense us from like a mile away? No, 10 million miles away. My sense power was turned off. Okay. Anyway. You guys want to count the birds again? No. Okay. Let's just finish tag right now. Okay? Okay. was nice meeting you, girls. It was nice meeting you too. What's your name? My name's Xavier. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now we're gonna get a snack. Okay. Let's see you later. Bye, Zach. Bye, Zach. Bye, Zach. I mean, Xavier. Bye, Xavier. Bye, Xavier. Bye. Bye, Xavier. Nice kids.